Hi, this is Avdi with wideteams.com, and today I thought I'd do another quick, unscripted walkthrough of a useful collaboration tool for remote teams. You are probably already familiar with the Google Docs family of tools, and they have some really useful tools for distributed teams already. Their spreadsheet and word processor support multiple people editing documents at once pretty well. Recently, though, I noticed that Google added a new tool to their Google Docs stack. It's called Google Drawings, I believe, and it is a diagramming application. And so I've been kind of eager to give it a try, and I'm just going to step through a few of the basic features in this screencast. And really haven't had a chance to play with this very much, so you'll be watching me learn about the tool myself. And as I did with my last screencast, what I've done is I've logged two different users in two different browser windows side by side, so that you can see the real-time collaborative features of this tool. So like any good diagramming tool, it comes with a whole bunch of basic shapes that can be added to a document. So there's a square. Here's a circle. And there's a reasonable selection of other shapes you can use, including interesting things like braces. Then there are tools for drawing lines. We can draw arrows in between objects. And as you've probably noticed, as I've been doing this on the left-hand screen, where I have one user logged in, the right-hand screen has been updating pretty much instantaneously, and that's not just a copy of the screen. That's actually a different user logged in, and so that's simulating two different people working on the same document at once. There's also a freehand drawing tool. And as you might imagine, you can control all the essential attributes of the shape. So you can control the thickness of the lines and the background colors and all that kind of stuff. One thing that I noticed and I really like is that you can just double click on any shape and type in some text, hit enter, and now you've got text centered in the middle of the shape. So very easy to label things in your drawing. And this is kind of cool. Any shape you can grab and rotate. You can also bring in external images, and of course you can upload. You can also take it from a URL, but what I really like is that you can also just grab something from a Google image search. So here's a picture of a frog. And there it is. You can size it down. I can move it around, and as you can hopefully see in the recording, it's actually adding these automatic guidelines so that I can easily align the shapes with other shapes. Like the other tools in the Google Docs set, there is also a built-in rudimentary chat feature. So as you can see, it looks like it's a basic but solid diagramming tool, and obviously this is going to be useful for any team that needs to build diagrams in a collaborative fashion. But what really has me excited about it is I think that this would make a great whiteboard, shared whiteboard for distributed teams holding meetings. So maybe the meeting is held over Skype, and then they take notes collaboratively on a whiteboard that's hosted on Google Docs. That's a scenario that I'm going to try out myself next chance I get, and see how I'll let you know how it works. All right, well, I think that pretty much covers it. So until next time, thanks for watching.